What's up, everyone? Let's do a quick crypto market update here. I'm going to update you on this current Bitcoin short. I'm going to give you my predictions for Bitcoin in the next coming days. And I'm also going to update you on my altcoin positions that I have right here. And I apologize for the lack of camera today. I'm sure all of you are coming here to watch my face, but it's not possible today because I look terrible. So hopefully you'll it'll be fine with just looking at the price of Bitcoin and the altcoins here instead. Okay, so as you guys know, probably most of you watching this video are also in the in the trading community, and as you see right here, we posted a trade on Bitcoin right here, a very good looking Bitcoin short right here, as you can see in the trade setup channel right there. You can go to the description and check the description, join the community. It's completely free, and you will also gain access to the RLZ slingshot indicator by following the guide in the exclusive offers channel inside this Discord. And also I'm also working on a course based on the RLZ trading mentoring program that I had last year. It was a very successful trading program, and I'm now turning that into a course, so you'll get more information on that in the near-term future. Anyway, you see right here, this Bitcoin short here, absolutely beautiful, and was based on the RLZ slingshot indicator. I took some profits on this morning and moved my stops to entry right here. And I like the fact that Bitcoin bounced here. Well, not for this short, but you know, it's two different perspectives here. I'm shorting Bitcoin based on the local structure, the local price action, and the RLZ slingshot indicator, but I have my long positions open on altcoins. So I want to cover what I think is going on with Bitcoin and what I think will happen in the near-term future. Well, not really what I think will happen, but I'll give you some outlines here on where I want price to go for me to be bullish, and where I want price to go for me to become more bearish. At this very moment, I would say that I'm bullish to neutral. On the local time frame, I am also neutral because of the fact that we now have a higher high. So if you look at the local trend, we have a high, lower high, lower high, lower high. We got a low, lower low, lower low, but this is now the first higher low in this sequence, and we might see something like perhaps a double bottom right here on the 4 hour. The break and retest of the neckline of that W would be absolutely beautiful, and that's something I'm looking at to confirm my bullish bias. So the first thing I want to see to become bullish on Bitcoin again is, well, obviously I am bullish on the high time frames because, you know, you zoom out, you know, look at the weekly, it is stupid bullish right here. If you go into the 4 hour, I mean the daily, you will see here, adding the slingshot indicator, you'll see that we have the daily 20 EMA is right here. We now have the daily 50 here. So unless we can reclaim the daily 20 EMA, I'm not going to be very bullish. And then when we do reclaim the daily 20 EMA, I want to see a reclaim of the 68 or 69K region, which is basically this area right here. So if we can see a reclaim of this level above for Bitcoin, this is also where we have the weekly open. Now, of course, in 2 days, the weekly open will be somewhere else, but it's all still a pretty good confluence here. If we do have this W structure playing out, I think that would be very good for Bitcoin. A break and retest of this level would absolutely be bullish for me. I would then be bullish on the high time frames and the low time frames. I would be full on bullish for this, and if that happens, I believe my altcoin positions are going to be in a really good position to run to the upside. Now let's look at the bearish scenario. What would be the most bearish scenario? Well, actually, if this low is broken here, so if the local low on the 4 hour is broken, well, that would obviously be a quite bearish development. I would expect some sort of bounce on the daily 50 EMA, where we have the 60K region. Going out to the weekly, you will see that the 60K region goes right here, and it's at a very good horizontal support and resistance levels on the higher time frame. Very good level. One thing I want to note though is, or tell you about, is the level that we looked at, that we've been looking at for a while, is the weekly 20 EMA, where we also have the reload zone of this move. So adding the fib from that low to this high brings in the reload zone right here, and that is a very good level for a potential bounce for Bitcoin on the higher time frames. So losing the daily 50 EMA, which is right here, probably means we're going down to the 50k region where we have the weekly 20 EMA. So this is the way it goes, right? Reclaim 69k, very bullish. Reclaim daily 20, first sign of strength. If we continue lower, I'm expecting a bounce on the daily 50. That's our last line of defense for the local structure. If we lose the daily 50, we're going to see a free fall, most likely down to the weekly 20 EMA. This is where altcoins will truly suffer and a lot of people will panic. But I do think it's highly likely that we're going to see a very nice bounce on the weekly 20 EMA. So if you are looking to fill up on your Bitcoin position, you have the daily 50 and the weekly 20 EMA as really good targets for that. All right, so that's Bitcoin. Now let's look at my altcoin positions. I'm going to move down the positions that have not yet been filled, and that's Atom, AXS, and DOT. I believe those have not been filled yet. Let's first look at Cardano, ADA or ADA. This one is around the entry area, still looks very good. We got Algo is around, Algo is in a nice profit here after bouncing on the 0.618 right here, also good position. Sand is in an incredibly good position. We are currently up on this one. We are up 24% with my leverage. I believe that's almost 50% already on this position. And guys, remember, everything is posted within the Discord server. Everything is free. Just go in and check the link in the description and we'll get free access to the community. Sand, our best position right now, looks absolutely incredible. We got Mana got filled yesterday and this one is in profit as well. Look at that, absolutely beautiful move down to the 0.618. It's picture perfect with the RLZ method. And by the way, if you join the community, we'll also gain free access to a course where I give you the introduction to the RLZ method trading system that I'm using right here on the weekly for these altcoins. EOS, same thing here, add around entry, beautiful bounce on the 0.618. We got Tesos, very nice in small profit, bounce inside the reload zone, absolutely perfect, breaking retest on the weekly. Filecoin or Phil, whatever. This is a more of a risky trade, 30R trade, absolutely insane. Got a tighter stop loss. This one will get stopped out, and I'm gonna liquidate it on this position if Bitcoin drops to the weekly 20 MA. But that's okay because I believe that the other altcoins will stay strong. VeChain VET is another one where we dip down into the 0.618, and now we have started to reclaim the reload zone again. Hopefully we'll turn into a profit on this one as well. This is a high risk to reward trade as well, very risky. And then Atom did not get filled, AXS did not get filled, and DOT did not get filled. So these are the three ones that I'm looking to enter, but perhaps on a break and retest of this level right here. That's going to happen probably in, I'd say, a month or something like that. All right, that's my update on Bitcoin and my current altcoin positions. I hope to see you all in the community. Take care and have a great weekend, everyone.